Hi, it's Vicky here from the Move, Live, Love Texas team. And I have a question for you. Are you ever baffled by what color of paint to put on your walls? Well, if you're planning a home renovation and searching for that perfect white paint color, your search ends here. So today I'm sharing our top 3 favorite white paint choices that will bring elegance and timeless charm to any space. First is Pure White by Sherwin Williams. Now it's a crisp, clean white and it instantly brightens any room with its fresh and classic appeal. Number 2 is Alabaster, also by Sherwin Williams. And it has that warm, creamy white that creates that cozy and inviting atmosphere, like sitting by a fireplace when it's cold outside. And last, we have White Dove by Benjamin Moore. It's a soft, subtle white with just a hint of warmth, perfect for adding a touch of character to any space. And why we want to tell you about these colors? It's because when you're getting ready to sell your home, you want to appeal to the masses, not just to that crazy character person that wants to paint every room a different color. We call that the crayon box. Nobody wants to paint over red, lime green, blue. It's hard for them to picture their furniture in that house without having a neutral background. So as an agent that stays on top of those home design trends, I can confidently say that these timeless whites are among the most popular choices today. So whether your style is modern, contemporary, or traditional, one of these shades will be the perfect fit. So if you have any questions about home staging or selling, just drop them in the comments. We'd love to help.